Lucid Motors selects Orange Business as preferred European partner for next-gen in-vehicle connectivity. What is happening, investors? It is your boy Jack. I am not a financial advisor, and today we have a pretty exciting piece of Lucid Motors related news. You'll see that on the day they are up about 1.44%, while a lot of peers are trading down. Tesla's down about 2.4%. Li Auto's negative 5.5% nearly. Now some are doing okay. Rivian is up nearly 3%. NIO's up a couple of percent. But overall, considering how bad the last couple of trading days have been for Lucid, people are responding well to this piece of news. Now, what we're going to do in today's video is speak about exactly what this actually means, why it's important, what is happening, why it matters, how it's going to help Lucid in the future, how it's going to help them, get their vehicles out there, keep them up to date. We're going to speak a little bit about who Orange actually are. They're the 8th largest global telecoms brand, and they brought in 42.5 billion euro worth of revenue last year. So a large company. And that is the premise of today's video, to see, is this good news for Lucid Motors investors? Is it pretty indifferent? Do we even have to care? That is what we're going to be doing today, my friends. So right before we do get into speaking about it, could I please ask you to hit that juicy like button nice and early for me? Helps me out a lot. Drop me a comment down below. Let me know how you Lucid Motors investors are feeling as of late. Are you buying more? Are you holding strong? Are you selling, trimming your positions? And if you end up enjoying today's video, subscribe for more content. Why not? It's completely free, baby. Also, if you're interested in getting some free shares over on Webull, click the link in the pinned comment down below or in the description box. Sign up, deposit $100. It really is that simple. You get literal free money. What's not to love about that? Everybody loves free money, baby. So, Lucid selects Orange Business as their preferred European partner. What is happening? So, Lucid Motors has chosen Orange Business to partner for its next generation in-vehicle connectivity and digital expertise. Orange Business will offer infotainment and telematics connectivity to Lucid's all-electric vehicles, which will be sold directly to European customers. So this is their European link. Why it matters. Orange Business will provide seamless pan-European IoT, Internet of Things is what that stands for, and internet connectivity for Lucid's software-defined vehicles. The company will also help Lucid navigate complex regulatory requirements in Europe and integrate into Lucid's manufacturing supply chain. So they are joining directly into the supply chain here. The services provided by Orange Business will enable a personalized customer experience with features such as navigation, security, and communication tools, diagnostics, and streaming audio. So this is one huge part of Lucid Motors' business that, they're able to essentially outsource. They're able to partner with somebody else to take care of these things. It's one less thing for them to think about while they are at this inflection stage of their life cycle, while they have 2 million other things to worry about, while they're trying to keep the share price up, get, production and delivery numbers up, while they have all of this other stuff going on in the background. The over-the-air updates pushed to vehicles will ensure the software is current and deliver a premium Lucid customer experience. So obviously Tesla led the way with this, and now it is going to be industry standard when it comes to these upscale electric vehicles. Without this, you don't stand a chance. You cannot have an expensive high-class vehicle without something like this in place. And to have Orange in their team now is awesome. So before we expand a little bit more on some more key points, again, I just want to remind you of how big Orange is. I'm sure a lot of you guys will be aware of them. Over 5,000 stores, over 271 million customers, my guys. This is a huge company. You can see here the main places they're in. So in Europe, which is what they're going to be working with in regards to Lucid, there is Belgium, Spain, France, Luxembourg, Moldova, Poland, Romania, and Slovakia. I'm not sure if they're going to have to find somebody else. You should make note that this is not an exclusive deal, so they may well partner with somebody else for other countries, such as Ireland, where I am right now, who is not covered by Orange. Or maybe Orange will come to an agreement with them to cover some other places. We're just going to have to wait and see. But then you can see that the Middle East and Africa is where, they have a lot more of their locations, a lot more business. And they have 140,000 employees all together. Number 1 in convergence in Europe with 56.5 million fiber-ready households. 5G already launched in 6 countries, and these are the EU ones. And 99% of the population covered in 4G in our 8 European countries and 17 countries in Africa and the Middle East. They're huge, guys. That's what it really boils down to at the end of the day. I don't think they could have chosen a better partner. So as a Lucid investor, happy days. I have all the confidence in the world in Orange. I was about to say Apple. In Orange doing the job that they are going to be employed to do. So happy days. No worries there whatsoever. So Orange Business will provide seamless pan-European IoT and internet connectivity for Lucid's software-defined vehicles. And again, it's going to help them get past all this complex regulatory requirements in Europe that Lucid may not be as aware of when it comes to this software, whereas Orange most certainly will be. The services provided by Orange Business will enable a personalized customer experience with features such as navigation, security and communication tools, diagnostics and streaming audio, and the over-the-air updates, which is potentially the most important thing here in all honesty, especially if you are going to make the Tesla comparison. Push to vehicles will ensure that the software is up to date and deliver a premium Lucid customer experience. And again, this is a premium electric vehicle brand. Orange Business is a licensed and experienced electronic communication service provider for both IoT and internet access services. And they're positioned as a leader in the 2023 Gartner Magic Quadrant for managed IoT connectivity services worldwide. The bottom line is, it's fantastic. It really is. As a Lucid investor, I'm very happy. This is the kind of thing that, you know, as just your standard retail investor, you might not think about when deciding whether or not to invest in a company. But all of these things being in place really is so important to a company's success. I'd also like to point out, I just found this rather interesting when I was looking into Orange. Only today, Nokia signed a deal with Orange, the Egyptian company, to provide software for smart cities. So there's a lot of news coming to Orange right now. They could actually be a stock worth looking into for a potential investment, but that's for another day. Now, when it comes to Lucid as a whole, I mean, we have had some poor news and poor reception for the company as of right now. When we take a look at the stock chart, you'll see one thing that looks crazy is this, and this is when, you know, there was rumors of a PIF buyout. Obviously, since then, they have just trickled back down. Now, I spoke about Lucid only yesterday, and I said I want to see this stagnation. I want to see consolidation. I want to see clear short terms and resistances. I want to accumulate shares. I want people to accumulate shares in this area, and then eventually, hopefully, look towards a breakout. It's been a poor ride the last while, without a doubt in my mind. I still have so much belief in this company for the long term. We could be honestly having another painful 6 to 9 months. I'm not even going to sit here and try to lie to you guys. Anything could happen over this next period of time. It really could. After the last earnings report, since then, people really haven't been particularly confident in them. The general consensus is a lot of people are selling, although we do see a lot of retail still buying. But for me personally, when it comes to the technicals, when it looks at the actual stock's price, I am just watching this area here. Let's say somewhere around $8 a share to even $9.50 a share. I want to stay in that range for at least another week. I don't think that's too much to ask. We're going to have to wait and see, and then create the next upward leg. But guys, I don't want to waste your time. That is the big piece of news for today. Selecting Orange Business as their preferred European partner. It is a juicy piece of news in my opinion. If you watched this video all the way to the end, you, my friend, are a true legend. I really do appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Your support genuinely means the world to me. I appreciate everybody watching the video since we've been coming back, motivating me to keep it going, baby. We're getting up, we're working every day. I appreciate you all. If you did enjoy, please just hit that like button, drop me a comment down below, and subscribe for more content, because again, all of that is the easiest way to support me, and it just motivates me to keep it going. So I appreciate you guys. And then, of course, if you do want those free shares, feel free to click that first link in the pinned comment down below. You just got to sign up, make an account, deposit $100. It really is that simple. And also, I am working with Seeking Alpha at the moment, so if you want to get your first share 50% off, it's the only kind of news source that I actually subscribe to using my own money. I think they are the best. You get a wide variety of news, you get a wide variety of other people's opinions, and it's just a fantastic service. But anyway, my friends, I hope you all have a beautiful, blessed day. I'll see you in another video very soon. Peace.